Rock.
Paper, scissors.
Go first.
Go.
Body
Body
fight.
fight.
Open the
flag.
Darkness Dragon World.
Legend World.
Death Talica. Revival Body.
Dainty Wind Sylph.
I go first.
Go.
The Rock.
Yeah.
Mhm. I will so hard. Charge and draw. Okay. Call. Chaos Daryl Brick. On entry. Look top 3. Put 1 to hand, the rest to the drop zone. 1 to hand, the rest to drop. Okay. I will call corrosion code 666 Xeno Chaos Darkness. On entry, put top 2 cards of deck to the both of us. 1, 2. Then for each monster, I put 1 gauge. 1, 2, 3. I put 3 gauge.
Go.
Set Obituary. Pay 1 gauge. In this card is set and you have Black Dragon in drop zone, draw a card. Set Execution Ground. Cast Black Ritual. Destroy a Black Dragon. Tap, take to gauge. Gain 1 life, draw 2 cards.
Go.
Draw 2 cards. Cast Axel End. Put top 5 cards of deck into the drop zone. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And put top card to the gauge.
Alright.
Okay. I will cast Banquet of the Unrighteous. Look at top 3, put 1 monster. 1, 2, 3. No monster. Hold on. 1, 2. Call Chaos. I mean not Death Talica Revival Body. Pay 4 gauge. Then put any number of deep from drop zone into the zone. One. Deep, 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 deep,
Wow.
deep, deep, deep. Cannot be nulled.
The attacks get binald.
No ability can be
Mm.
nulled. That's it. Then, Sunken Seabed Ruins ability. During my main phase, when a size 3 enters my field, pay 1 life and cast discard from the drop zone. Execution Ground skill. When a black dragon, when a soul goes into a black dragon, top deck to the gauge and draw card.
Wow.
Set invitation to the death ground. Sorry. Okay. And entering battle phase.
Go.
Attack 4/4.
4.
When this card attacks, put top 3 cards to top deck to the soul. 1, 2, 3.
And the 6.
And if you put 1 or more, gain 1 life and deal 1 damage to it.
Oh, 5.
Okay, abilities. Souls cannot be dropped, penetrate.
Can't be penetrate.
Can be penetrate. But I have when monsters 3 or greater damage dealt to you by monster effects are reduced to 0.
So penetrate mo.
If the penetrate is 2, I will take damage. But if the penetrate is 3, I will not take damage.
3 or more.
Yes, 3 or more. I end my turn.
Draw.
Also, you cannot call monsters from the drop zone.
Charge and draw. Call. Red eye. Red eyes. Kibus. Discard a wider circle. And pay 1 gauge. If you do, draw 2 cards. Call Wind Fairy Self Revival Body. Pay 1 gauge. This card enters the field, put up to 1 wider circle or fairy item from your deck into your hand and shuffle your deck.
Okay.
Equip Demonic Index. New medium. Cannot be called. I cannot call from drop, right?
Yes.
This card enters the field. Look at the top 3 cards of your deck into the game. To deck 1, 3. Put any number of wider circle And fairy from among them in your gauge, and you gain 1 life for each card. Vidar Circle. Vidar,
Hmm?
Vidar. 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 Vidar.
Okay, proceed. Game 3.
Game 3.
Can I see the book?
Time 7. E2 gauge. E2 life.
Go.
Draw 2 cards.
Excuse me.
Wind Frolicker. P2 gauge. Battle at the start of attack phase.
Yes.
At the start of each player's attack phase, if there are 3 or more wider circle in the field, draw 2 cards. And for this turn,
I will,
power plus
I'll
10,000.
counter 20. P2 life. Decide Destiny. Choose up to 1 card for in your opponent's field for each Black Dragon set. 4. Rest.
I end my turn.
Okay. My turn. Draw. Charge and draw. Call Death Talika Hand. How much is your defense? Defense check.
Defense 12, 11, 11.
Entering battle.
Draw 2 cards, ability.
Attack center. On attack, deal 1, I gain 1. And I put the top 3 cards to deck with the sword. 1, 2, 3. Penetrate for 4. Then if Black Dragon is put charge and draw. Is put to the sword. Charge and draw. Second attack. On attack. Put top 3. Deal 1. Gain 1.
Good
Okay.